Hello, everyone. Muscat Nights is back and brighter than ever, promising a month-long extravaganza, running until January 23rd, 2025. This highly anticipated festival will transform Muscat into a hub of cultural performances, culinary delights, thrilling adventures, and family-friendly entertainment, offering the perfect way to ring in the new year. One of the festival's star attractions is the breathtaking Flower Festival at Qurum National Park, where vivid floral displays will mesmerize visitors. Adding to the enchantment are drone shows, laser and light spectacles, and theatrical performances, making it a must-visit highlight. Guests can also enjoy outdoor movie nights at the Muscat Nights Cinema, set under the stars. Strolling through a sea of vibrant flowers at the Muscat Flower Festival, visitors are greeted by an explosion of colors and fragrances that has transformed Qurum National Park into a botanical masterpiece. Featuring over a staggering 1 million flowers from more than 20 countries, the festival brings together blooms from the USA, the Netherlands, Kenya, Malaysia, and South America, offering a unique blend of nature and design. The festival, part of the ongoing Muscat Nights Festival, providing visitors with a stunning showcase of floral creativity. The Muscat Flower Festival marks the first ever floral event of its kind. The Floral Designs, a collaborative effort between international and Omani designers. Join us at the inaugural Muscat Flower Festival 2024, a spectacular celebration of nature's vibrant colors and timeless beauty of flowers. Set against the stunning backdrop of Oman's capital, this festival promises to be an unforgettable experience for visitors of all ages. From exquisite floral displays to family-friendly activities, the Muscat Flower Festival is the perfect place to immerse yourself in the splendor of nature and culture. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest posts. Thank you for watching.